Now welcome to another shortcuts class under the application of differentiation. Now this aspect will be talking about the tangent and the normal. The equation of the tangent and the equation of the normal. On the norms, these two aspects have these formulas of a thing. Don't forget the formula for the tangent is y minus y1 equals m into bracket x minus x1. And the formula for the normal is y minus y1 equals minus 1 over m into bracket x minus x1. But in the exam of CBT, on an aspect whereby you are given an options like this, it may be difficult maybe to just follow the principle of the formula whereby we have a shortcut formula. Now what is that? Now if you check very well, you are given that you should find the equation of the normal when you have y is equals to into bracket 1 minus x into bracket 3 plus x at the point x equals 2. Now what am I going to do? Just see. Now I'm going to substitute this value of x given to us in the equation here. So therefore y will now be equals to, if you check this will be 1 minus the value of x given to us is 2 into bracket 3 minus 2. And you observe that the final answer here, your y will be equals to minus 5. Now, when y is equals to minus 5, I will now substitute both x and y in this equation, and we are going to check the one that is equals to 0 here. And if you observe, this one for the first option here, we have the 6 into brackets, your y is minus 5, the minus your x, which is equals to 2, the minus 32. You observe that the final answer to this is minus 64. Then check the second one. So it's not equal to 0. So this is wrong. We are looking for the correct one that will be equal to 0. Option B, we have 6 in bracket minus 5, the minus 2, minus 30 is equal to, this one is equal to minus 62. So it's not equal to 0. It is wrong. Now let's check option C. Option C, we have 6 into bracket minus 5, the minus 2, plus 30. It is equal to minus 2. If you press it very well, so it's not equal to 0. I think my final answer should be the option D, in which we have 6 into bracket minus 5 minus 2 plus 32. It is equal to 0. So that shows this is the final answer to this. So with any question on the tangent or the equation of the normal, you can just insert the value of your x in the equation, and that will be done. So let me look at another example. Now, in this aspect, we are asked to find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals 2x squared minus 5. Now, how are we going to do this? They said at x equals 2. Now, the same way we did the first one for the equation of the normal, we are going to insert the value of 2 here into this. So y is equals to, let's say 2 into bracket 2 raised to power 2 minus 5. You substitute the value of x at the place of x here. So your y is equals to, that's 2 squared is 4 times 2, that's 8 minus 5. You have this to be equals to 3. So your y here is equals to 3. So you can see that they made the y the subject of formula here. So that shows that all I'm going to do is that I'm going to substitute that same x in this equation. The one that gives me the same value of y I got from the question is the right answer. You can use your hand method to solve it and you end up having the same answer. Now checking option A, we have this to be, check this, we have 8 into bracket 2 minus 13. I'm sure this will give you what? 3. Because this will be 8 times 2, that's 16. Minus 13, that's equals to 3. Which I believe this is the correct answer. But because of some people will not believe, let us see other options. Option B here, we have 3 into brackets, let's say 2, which is the value of the x given to us here. So minus 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, minus 2. That gives you what? 4. Then you can see it's not equal to the value of y we have here. So this is wrong. Option C, we have 3 into bracket 3 plus 2. That's 3 into bracket 2. Don't forget a value of x here. 3 into bracket 2, that's 3 times 2, that's 6. Plus 2, that's equals to 8. It's not equals to the value of y here, which is equals to 3. So this is not equals to 3. Let's take option D. We have 2 into bracket 2 plus 5. We have 2 times 2, that's 4, plus 5. That's equals to 9. Can you see that they are not equal? The only equal value here is the option A, in which we insert the value of x here and give us the answer, which is y equals what? 3. And the same thing with the question given to us. I believe with this method, you'll be able to simplify the equation of the tangent and the equation of the normal. Await the next calculator shortcut But before that, subscribe, like, and comment. And click on the notification button so that you can be notified in the next video. Thank you very much. I love you. God bless you.